Godmother had also said that you will recognize the serpent at once. Many people are here in this house. How would you identify that serpent?
I'll recognize her only at that time. At that time when she will transform into someone else from her real form. Then I'll find out. I'll sense it once it arrives. Her odor would indicate it. They're the enemy, and I can spot the enemy even in a crowd. Their odor indicates their arrival.
I must meet Shivanya right away. At any cost.
She has arrived. The serpent is nearby. In this party, amongst these people, it is very near, very, very close.
Here? In this party? How can you be so sure about that?
No matter whose form and color a serpent has acquired, it always captures our attention. Let's go. Let's go together and find out her plan. Come.
That is my niece Divya. How can she be the serpent and you are following her?
She isn't Divya. It's the serpent. who you are looking for and for whom I've come. Wait, it's her pain, not yours. She's not one of your own. Come on. We have found its sign. Soon we learn the truth too. Thereon I'll prove it to you that she's indeed a serpent. Where's your room? Let's go there. Come.
I don't know. What is she planning to prove from this?
Here is the mirror. A mirror shows one's reflection. The reflection just the way it is. Faces change, but their reflection doesn't.
What do you want to do?
What do you want to see? The serpent, right? Now I will show you the serpent. Take a look at the serpent. Congratulations on meeting first time this season, Serpent. I like it. I like the state of yours very much.
This? She's the serpent? She's the first serpent. I have seen her before. I know her.
This serpent is roaming about in this house in the form of Divya. No one recognized her, but I recognized her.
But why has she come to this party? Go and find out. What is she doing here?
Her identity will be revealed, and so will her motive. The one who's dancing, right? She is your niece, Divya. And the one who's moving towards the kitchen, she's the servant.
Is that so? Let me go and find out. Why has she come here? I don't know. Who is her next target?
Rather, she will be the target. Because now her enemy has arrived. The enemy will show what enmity is, and she will unmask her.
Come on, come on.
Shivanya, I have to talk to you about something.
Shisha, you? Over here? What if someone sees you?
Shivanya, regardless of who sees me, it's crucial for you to see this picture.
This? It is the same person in this picture who... Shisha, he's Ritik's real father.
I've been looking for you for a long time. Where did you go?
I had some important work. I'll talk
Mom,
to you
I have
later.
an important thing to tell you.
Let's talk later, please.
Mom, I want to talk about the Cobra gem.
Cobra gem? What is it, dear?
Mom, where is the Cobra gem? I mean, if you don't mind, I would like to see it. Just, there is no reason. Just like that.
But why do you want to see that? You had brought it yourself. Then why all of a sudden? That Cobra gem is very expensive, my dear, as someone might touch it or might steal it. So your dad has kept it in a safe place. You need not worry about it.
Wherever that Cobra gem is, you must have seen it, right? I mean, it is still there, isn't it?
More than that Cobra gem, I'm worried about you. You are my real gem, my dear. As far as the Cobra gem is concerned, your dad has kept it safely. After the party, you can take a look at it, okay? The guests are waiting. I have to go.
Okay.
Oh God! What is Miss Yamini doing behind them? If Miss Yamini is Ritik's real mother, then who is this lady? If this lady is Ritik's biological mother, then who is Miss Yamini? Miss Yamini definitely has some relation with this person. Is Miss Yamini Ritik's biological mother or not? Shisha, where did you find this picture?
But it seems somebody's coming. I heard footsteps.
Just leave from here.